Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you a quick and easy update for these bar stools. I had picked these bar stools off of Kijiji several years ago, and I do love the style of them, and I do love the top, which is graphite, that I painted them in graphite. Some of them need to be reinforced a little bit. I think it's just really this one, which I will do. So I will most likely keep the graphite on. I won't change that, but I will change the legs. This is the kitchen table that they're beside. At the time when I painted them, I was really into yellow. I don't know if you guys recall, I had a yellow lamp and it was just all yellow. As much as I love yellow, and yellow lemon color is very much in this summer, I am kind of getting tired of the yellow stools, and if I give you a closer look, they are kind of in need of a refresh. When I purchased them, some of them were red. I think two of them were red, two of them were white, or they were two red and one blue and one white. I'm not sure, but they were all mismatched. They came from an old log cabin. It was from a campground. I was in a main house or something. The guy had told me the story about them. So they are pretty good quality. The best I've had here, and I've had like 3 different types. So, but like I said, I'm just going to give them a quick new life, and it shouldn't be take me very long at all. So I had turned them upside down, and now I'm applying some wood glue just to reinforce the legs. This seems to work. I usually have to do this maybe once a year. After the glue had dried, I dust the stools just with a rag, just to make sure there's no dog hair, or if they need to be cleaned from maybe some food particles or whatnot. Just give them a good cleaning. I am painting the legs with chalk paint by Rust-Oleum in linen white. And I did 2 coats. After the paint had fully dried on the legs, I had flipped it over and decided to do whitewashing. I used the same white that I used on top and just added the whitewashing to the top of the graphite. Graphite is by Annie Sloan, and linen white is by Rust-Oleum. So the way I do this, you just apply paint randomly. You don't have to cover everything, and then take a wet rag. I just wetted it with water and wash the paint off, and you can wash this as much as you want until you reach a desired look. So here they are. I absolutely love the way they turned out. I think the whitewash look just gave it that more farmhouse look to the bar stools, and I am super pleased. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.